Hello everyone. Welcome back to Pharma Show by Seji. Today, we're going to talk about something small but extremely important for HPLC analysis, how to properly wash HPLC vials. This might seem like a simple task, but improper vial cleaning can lead to serious contamination issues, inaccurate results, and even instrument downtime. So, let's understand the right method, step by step. Why washing HPLC vials is important. Vials come in direct contact with your analytical samples. If they are not properly cleaned, residues, solvents, or impurities from the previous run can cause ghost peaks, carryover, poor reproducibility, false results. Proper cleaning ensures accuracy, reliability, and cost-effectiveness, especially for labs that handle a large number of samples. According to analytical studies, over 60% of chromatography-related errors occur due to sample container contamination or poor handling. Step-by-step process to wash HPLC vials. Step 1. Segregate used vials. Collect the used vials separately, remove the caps and septa. They are not reusable, as they absorb solvents and can carry contamination. Step 2. Rinse with solvents. Start with a rinse using HPLC grade water to remove sample residues, then rinse again with methanol or acetone. These organic solvents help dissolve oily or sticky residues. Step 3. Sonication, optional but recommended. If an ultrasonic bath is available, sonicate the vials for 10 to 15 minutes in a methanol water mixture. Sonication helps remove fine particles and trace impurities that simple rinsing can't. Step 4. Final rinse. After sonication, perform one final rinse with HPLC grade water to ensure that no solvent residues remain. Step 5. Drying. Place the vials upside down and dry them in a hot air oven at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius for at least 2 hours. If you don't have an oven, allow them to air dry overnight in a dust-free laminar airflow cabinet. Step 6. Storage. Once completely dry, store the clean vials in a sealed, dust-free container or Ziploc bag. Avoid touching the inner surface of the vials with bare hands. Always use clean gloves or forceps when not to reuse HPLC vials. Not all vials are suitable for reuse. Discard the vial if you notice any crack, chip, or scratch on the glass surface, stains or discoloration that cannot be removed. It was previously used with strong solvents like TFA, DMSO, or concentrated acids. These conditions may affect sample integrity or cause contamination. Pro tips for best results: always use HPLC grade solvents for washing. Do not use regular detergents, they leave chemical residues. Label your cleaned vials with batch numbers for traceability. Make sure vials are completely dry before reuse. Moisture can cause sample dilution or microbial growth. Let's quickly summarize. Rinse with water, methanol/acetone water. Dry, oven or air flow cabinet. Store, airtight and dust-free. Reuse only if the vial is clean, undamaged, and free from strong solvent history. Following these steps ensures accurate, consistent HPLC results and helps you reduce lab costs efficiently. So, friends, I hope this video helps you understand how to properly wash and maintain HPLC vials. Remember, even a small step like proper vial cleaning can make a huge difference in your analysis quality. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Pharma Show by Seji for more practical pharma and QC lab insights.